Hey YouTube, it's Jazz, and in today's Back to the Basics video, we're going to be filming a quick and easy brow tutorial. So let's just jump right into it. So I already filled in my struggle brow off camera, and now I'm just going to show you guys what I'm going to do on this brow. First, I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. Clear Brow Gel. It's like $2, you know, so you can't really get any better than that. I'm going to run this through my brow just to stick those brow hairs down. And then I take my finger and brush out any excess brow gel because I don't have time for this to wait, you know, and yeah. Next, I'm going in with the Lamora Spoolie just to brush through my brows and make sure that they are in place. Like, y'all can't be acting up. Then I'm going in with the ColourPop brow pencil in the shade Bangin Brunette. I start by outlining the bottom half of my brow just to give me a guideline for the shape and start filling it in. Now I'm going to take the other end of that and just brush that product through my eyebrow. And as you can see, it already started filling in the bottom part of my brow. Now I'm just going to take and flick hair-like strokes through the top half and then throughout the rest of my brow. I want the bottom half of my brow, like the middle and the tail end, to be darker than the rest, than the front part. So I'm gonna keep filling, just keep filling in these brows until it's the darkness and the shape that I want. I have a pretty decent amount of brow hair, so doing my brows never take me that much time. Back in with that spoolie again, y'all. Just gonna brush through those brow hairs, put them back in place, and help distribute that brow product more evenly. Back in with that ColourPop. Just to fill in any parts that might have gotten taken away from me using that other spoolie. I love these ColourPop pencils because they're only like $5, but they are perfect. I love how tiny they are. Next, we're going in with the Nars Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the shade of Amande to clean up the brow. When I line my brow, I only do it on the bottom half, and I try not to put that product too close to my actual eyebrow because I don't want the concealer in my brow. And I pull the concealer down towards my eyelid.
That's good.
Now I'm gonna just clean up that line a little bit more because I still want it to be sharp, honey. I still want that line to be good and sharp, okay? Next, I'm going in with this Deluxe Crease brush from Real Techniques just to blend out that concealer. And I'm blending it like away and down, if that makes any sense. Don't forget the edges, and then blend the top as well. But don't put more concealer. Just blend it out. Going back in with that spoolie. You can't use this spoolie enough. I love it. I'm going to brush through my brows once again to put the brow hairs back in place and take out any concealer that might have gotten in. Then I go in with this Maybelline Brow Drama. It's a tinted brow gel, just to help stick my brows down and keep them in place all day. I was jamming. I don't remember listening to it. Back in with that spoolie. Now we're gonna just blend out any more errors that we might have, you know, made with that brow gel. And remember, your brows are sisters, not twins. So it's cool if they're not perfect. All right, that's it. It was quick and simple and easy, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Comment down below what you think and let me know what other video you would like to see, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Peace.